So Dad's good buddy Dale Johnson just showed up here with his new GIO electric car here. He says he gets about 30 mile an hour. Cost him $8,000. They delivered in 5 days, and apparently you don't need a driver's license, and it's fully electric, and we're all in awe of this thing. So it looks like a scooter on the inside with the handlebars. He says it's a little bit touchy, but he'll get hooked up there. Lots of space for getting in and out on both sides, and then there's stuff he still has to attach in the back seat here, but good for groceries. You could probably even get yourself a,
that's his bumpers,
you know, a girlfriend and throw her in the back or something like that. And got the sunroof right here, opens on both sides. Yeah, everybody thinks this is great. He still has the wrapping on the lights here.
Ralph,
hey,
get Shorty over there and then tell him how she drove it from Lloydminster.
Oh, okay, yeah. This is the cap where you charge everything up. And then $8,000. Jeez, need more of these on the road. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So Larry's gonna do not Larry, Mr. Johnson's gonna do a quick test run here on his little GIO. And as stated before, he's got it's fully electric, doesn't need a license, cost him $8,000, and he's just gonna fire it up, and look at it, doesn't even make a sound. Holy shit, the little berry picking machine. He's got the left turn signal on. You got your turn signal on. So that's the way to go. He now he's not trapped at home. He says he's even going to drive it in the wintertime. So any of you guys want a berry picking machine? There you go. I can't believe how quiet this thing is too.
Electric.
Fully electric. Okay, well, maybe Martina has a younger friend and she can just slide in the back with a bag of groceries, and there you go.
Yeah.
So there we go. There's Mr. Johnson and his GIO. So if the bombardier business gets slow, maybe Dad'll start manufacturing these for these guys or something. So,
all right.
So you can throw a bag of groceries or the dog or whoever in the back, and you're good to go. Look at that. Huh. What will they think of next? Well, he spent the last hour down at the riverbank trying to get a ground squirrel or something, and he's whacked. Look at you, you're all filthy. What did you think of all this, eh? Jeez.